Universe is telling you something. Meron daw malaking pagbabago na mangyayari sa'yo sa mga darating na mga araw at linggo. Malaking pagbabago. Let us see what kind of big changes is that. Universe wants you to observe this Page of Swords energy. They're sending you a lot of messages. Look at the birds, the sky. A lot of birds, right? A lot of messages right in here, no? And as from the looks of this, no, universe is telling me na yung iba ninyo rito mga tanong, okay, halos lahat yan, boom, masasagot, no? And let us see what follows next. Hierophant energy. Oh, it could be related here sa yung love life, sweetheart. Let us see. Alamin natin. Sabay-sabay. Okay. No. The High Priestess and the Queen of Cups energy, no, is telling me na yung iyo ritong kutob, no, ay palakas ng palakas, no. So may ganong klase ng energy. And I'm seeing someone right in here, no, sa aking vision, no, yung lingon ng lingon. So nakita natin dito, no, let me see more. So your intuition is getting, parang nagba-vibrate dito, no, ng getting louder and louder, ganong klase ng energy. Let me see, look at that, see? Speaking of getting louder and louder, no, okay, ito ay bumibilis ng bumibilis, no? It's getting faster right in here, kumbaga sa heartbeat, no? Dug, 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 ganon. So we have here this strength card energy and there's, oh, I feel positive about this. Let me see more. Chariot, another fast energy right in here. Ooh, Two of Cups. So you know what I'm picking up dito? Okay? It looks like this is you. Ikaw yung lingon ng lingon na yon, no? And parang pakiramdam mo may nakatingin sa inyo, no? Pero hindi ito yung snatcher. Hindi rin ito yung agaw baggang at hindi rin ito yung may utang sa'yo na nagtatago na nakita ka, no? At iniiwasan kang makasalubong kasi baka singilin mo siya. Hindi yun, no? Pero you feel like, no, na parang meron sa'yo rito, no, na nakatingin, iba yung pakiramdam mo, no? No, mga babes, it's not something negative. It's your intuition. Very on point, no? Very high frequency with this, yan, no? High Priestess and the Queen of Cups. Wow! So whoever energies I'm picking up for today, it looks like palakas ng palakas rito ang iyo rito, no, na intuition, no, nagiging mas powerful, mas bumibilis, no, it's getting louder and louder right in here, no, because, mamaya, pabitin. So, wow, now we've got here the Seven of Cups, Page of Swords. Yeah, okay, definitely. Full energy. Okay, yeah, I keep on getting this sa inyong reading. Now we've got the Four of Swords again. Okay, kasi diba, ito, nakukuha natin itong mensahe ito. Mamaya malalaman ninyo, ano ba yon, no? Okay, and Knight of Swords energy. Wow, look at that, the Seven of Coins. Hi and hello there everyone. My name is Yan. Welcome new subscribers, returning Istam buyers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang love at support for me. At kung hindi niyo pa alam or pati other channel mga babes, link down below sa description box ng reading na ito. Kaya if interesado, click lamang yung link na yan para kayo mapunta there at araw-araw ay nag-upload tayo dito ng collective readings for all signs. And yun nga, no, meron ako nakikita sa mga comment, no, may mga nagagalit kasi ba't hindi raw ako nagbabanggit ng zodiac signs, no? Kasi baka zodiac sign daw yun ng kadil nila. Mga mare, kuya, ate. Oras na para maitama ang inyo rito 'no, na alam tungkol sa mga energy at tarot readings 'no. Sa mga instant buyers ko diyan 'no, alam na nila ito, pero sa mga bago dito ano, maaari kasi mga bago pa lang yung mga nagtatanong na yon 'no. Mga mahal, 'yan 'no. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam 'no, hindi po importante ang zodiac sign. Kaya kung yung ibang reader sinasabi na importante yun 'no, ewan ko sa kanila 'no. Pero mga babes 'no, gusto kong malaman ninyo na ang zodiac sign ay hindi importante sa mga tarot or energy readings, okay? Ang importante is yung messages, okay? So, hindi ko mo binanggit ng reader, Pisces ang kadil mo, Pisces lang. No, it's not that. No, tama na para ma-correct na ito, no, na inyong understanding dito. Hindi importante ang zodiac signs, hindi importante ang gender, hindi importante dito 'no, sa tarot readings, it's an energy. 'Pag nagbanggit ako kung mapapansin ninyo 'no, okay, 'pag nagbanggit ako like let's say, you could be dealing with Taurus, kasi nag-i-embody siya ng characteristics ng Taurus. Example lang 'yon, okay? Gano'n 'yon. But I'm not pertaining with any particular zodiac sign kasi malilito lang kayo 'no. Yung iba nasanay manood ng ganyan because other readers 'no, keep on doing that 'no. But it is not, okay, important. Always remember that, okay? Now you know, isang bagong kaalaman na naman here for you guys. So yun nga, wala tayo dito, no, na gender kakabanggit ko lang, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat ay welcome. Pwede rin po magkapalit-palit ang mga roles dahil ito ay possible talaga mangyari. Bakit? Kasi general reading ito, babe. So yun nga, nawala rin tayo ritong time period, meaning to say lahat ng readings ay timeless. Kapag nakita mo ito, tinatawag ka kahit na super tagal na nun uploaded, no? Kahit na ito ay isang dekada pang uploaded, ngayon mo lang nakita, then boom! Yun pa lang yung right time para mapanood at maparinggan mo ang mga mensahe kasi baka yun ay for you. Okay? So, timeless meaning to say din na posibleng sa iba nangyari na, sa iba nangyayari na po, sa iba ay mangyayari pa lamang. Kaya naman, just take only what resonates, no? But here, your intuition is very high, sweetheart. Whoever I'm speaking with right at this very moment, your intuition is on point. It's getting louder and louder. Your intuition, your kutob, no, tawag ng iba doon kutob, no, is very powerful, no, at ito ay mas magiging evident at mas mararamdaman mo sa mga susunod at darating na mga araw at mga linggo. No? Yung parang naglalakad ka and then you feel like na parang may nakatingin sa'yo but you do not feel that kind of feeling na negative. Okay? Kasi pag negative yung naramdaman mo, baka nga may snatcher. Sa paligid 'no, or baka nga mga babes 'no, merong merong masamang loob sa paligid or whatsoever, 'di ba? Pero if you feel like 'no, na parang feeling mo may nakatingin sa'yo, feeling mo may sumusunod sa'yo 'no, pero hindi mo nafi-feel yung panganib, then this reading is definitely for you. Because your intuition is telling you more likely 'no, na Two of Cups energy, Chariot card right in here, no? Your lover, the one destined for you, is already around the corner. No? Yung person rito na nakatakda for you or nakadestined para sa'yo, mga babes, no, ay super lapit niya na, no? This person is getting nearer and nearer, no? And with the Strength card energy and there's this Three of Coins, no, I do see, no, na ito yung person rito na buong tapang talaga, no, na ibubuo or itataguyod rito ang inyong connection, no? So, palapit na siya ng palapit, no? Eight of Wands energy, Chariot card right in here, no? And this is the one you're destined to be with, no? You will find each other, Hermit energy, and you will be in this type of very solid legacy, very solid foundation right in here, no? And the signs are getting louder and louder as well, no? You will see multiple signs, synchronicities right in here, angel numbers, repeating numbers, no? What about the angel numbers, no? Yeah, 111, 222, or kahit na hindi yan triple two, no, you could be seeing a lot of number twos, you will be seeing a lot of number one, no, and also number three, yan, no, okay, and Kahit makakita ka dito ng 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, definitely. Okay? So, whoever it is that I'm talking to, it's not just about the synchronicities, not just about the mirroring numbers, it's not just about the angel numbers, no? You are gonna see signs, no, na hihingin mo mismo kay universe through your prayers, no? And nakikita natin dito yung we're definitely hearing that song, no? Tadhana'y merong trip na makapangyarihan. Definitely, no? So, kung di ako nagkakamali, that's the song of River Maya. Yan, no? Tadhana'y merong trip na makapangyarihan. Of course, una sa lahat, no, universe ay makapangyarihan, no? And your tadhana is very evident right in here. I'm seeing that you're feeling this or that you're about to feel this, okay? Or you're gonna feel like, ano ba to, parang excited ako pero hindi ko alam kung bakit. Yan, no? Your kutob is getting louder and louder, no? It's very visible, no? I'm seeing it right now, no? From this, no? Ito ay parang, alam mo yun, magbabibrate ng palaki, no? It's getting bigger and bigger right in here, no? And whoever this energy is, look at that. It is because your destined person is already around your life, no? Preparing to enter. Isang hakbang na lang mga babes, no? Mapofall na siya sa iyong world, no? You are about to meet here the love of your life. Na iba naman na-meet nyo na ito, no? At konti na lang, mafo-fall in love na siya sa inyo, no? Yeah, that's the magic, no? That's that kind of powerful, no, na trip ng universe right in here, no? Dahil ito ang person meant for you. And look at that. I keep on telling you guys, no, na palagi nating nakukuha ito because this person really keeps on popping ka sa kanyang dreams, no? Or ikaw rin napapanaginipan mo siya, no? Knight of Swords energy, no? Okay, pertaining to this Seven of Cups to this Page of Swords energy, no? Dun sa mga nauna mong dreams, no? Yung Puksuri, yung voice, no? Ulgol, yung face, no? Yung boses na malabo noon, mas malinaw na ngayon, no? Or yung blurred na mukha na nakikita mo sa dreams mo, mas magiging malinaw na ngayon, no? Palinaw ng palinaw, no? Yung iba naman, okay, maaring yung dreams ninyo, hindi siya nagsasalita sa mga paunang dreams, no? Pero maririnig mo na yung voice niya, no? Yeah, definitely, no? All the signs are getting vivid and vivid, no? Loud and clear. Okay? Kaya naman kung sino man to, no, mga kaka-resonate dito mga mahal, no? Kaya matakot kasi wala naman talagang mga snatcher sa paligid ninyo, walang nakaabang panganib, no? Kundi malakas lang talaga dito ang intuition mo, no? Paano ba malalaman mo yun kung malakas yung intuition, no? Malalaman mo yun kapag meron ka mga experiences, no, na madalas tama, no? Yung mga parang hinala mo. Like let's say, ano ba yan? Parang gusto ko ng umalis dito sa lugar na 'to. Ewan ko ba, alis na lang ako, yan 'no. And then 'no, after mo makaalis dun sa lugar na yun 'no, meron palang nangyari dun 'no, mga 30 minutes after mo makaalis 'no. See, okay, 'pag marami kang instances na ganyan 'no, or may katulad na gano'n 'no, na experiences, then definitely malakas talaga yung intuition mo, sweetheart. Okay? So, whoever this energy is, no, yung kanya ritong face, yung voice niya rito, no, makikita mo na siya, palapit na siya rito, no? So, whoever this energy is, no, this is someone here, you're meant to build something stronger, no, like a legacy, no, and you will find each other, no, at nakita natin dito that both of you, no, wish fulfillments ninyo isa't isa, no, and I'm seeing you, no, you will definitely invest. Seven of Coins energy, no, nahanap ko na yung person na pag-i-investan ko ng buong buhay ko. Yan, no? So, kung sino man itong mga nakaka-resonate dito, no? Kung ganitong klase lang rin naman ng trip ng tadhana or ni universe, edi go ako diyan, 'di ba? So, nakikita ko that you're in, jo-join ka talaga dito sa trip ni universe na ito dahil una sa lahat, naka-join ka na. Eto na nga ang message right here for you guys, no, and your person is already here. For some reason, no, your person right here, no, keeps on, parang mahilig siyang magsuot ng mga pants, more likely denim, no, or if not denim, no, parang casual lang yung datingan 'no, not really someone maporma, not really someone na nakapostura 'no, simple lang pero ang lakas ng dating 'no. Charming rin siya rito. This person here wala siyang arte sa katawan, yung nakikita natin dito. And however this energy is 'no, this is someone here that that is very reliable 'no. And nakikita rin natin dito that there's something into this person's voice, if not in his or her voice, the way he or she communicates, not just with you, but with other people. Okay, there's something about this person here, communicates, no? And I think, no, isa rin yun sa mga bagay na nagustuhan mo sa kanya. Initials, yes, we have here, unang-una na, no, capital letter G. Andito rin ang capital letter M, andito rin ang capital letter R, capital letter S, no, capital letter O, capital letter L, other letters are C, A, I, P, victory V, no, and last but not the least, the letter K. So yeah, these are all the messages. Thank you so much again. I'm Yuriana on Sarang Hail Love and Light. And